Okay, this is the video about the mx geometric coordinate chapters because I just find out actually in my channel I do not have the video for the geometric coordinates, so I'm going to record fews to make students understand better about this chapter. So this is the first video. So of course I trying to cover as many as possible using one example. Actually this example I get it from the SAS Buddy reference book. Of course C and D is I add myself because I hope this video can cover almost everything. Of course this video I do not cover about the simple gradient and I do not cover about locus, because for the locus part I will make another video for it because I think a lot of students find very difficult to find the locus. Okay, anyways, okay, do not waste your time. So in this video actually I will cover how to find the perpendicular gradients and then how to find the equation as well. At the same time I will cover how to get the ratio, how to use the ratio to find the coordinate C, and then of course I will cover the distance and I will cover about the area. Okay, because in the geometric coordinate chapter you need better understanding about the questions. So let's start on the part A first. Okay, first you have to know, okay, this is the y-axis, x-axis, and this is the straight line. Okay, and then B, obviously B is the y-intercept of the straight line, so this is the y-intercept. Okay, so means y-intercept what will equal to 0. Over here we know at y-intercept x will equal to 0 because every coordinate on the y-axis x is equal to 0, because here is x equal to 1, 2, 3, right? So 3, 2, 1, 0. So every coordinate over here is 0 something. Okay, 0 y. So first information I got is B over here is 0 y. We do not know what is the value for y, but then I'm sure that x is equal to 0. So whenever he asks for x-intercept, ask for y-intercept x equal to 0, or if he asks for the x-intercept y will equal to 0. So this one is very important information. When you read the graph you have to understand it. And then he will give you the equations for the AC, straight line AC is 3y equals to 2x minus 15. So before I start to solve the question, whenever I see equation like this, I have the one very good habit is I will straight away change this one to y equal to mx plus c, because like this I can get the y-intercept and then I can get the gradient. So y equal to mx plus c means I want to make y as a subject, so I divide 3 for everything. So y will equals to 2 over 3x minus 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, so over here I know actually this straight line AC, C is negative 5. So actually I know y over here, this one is negative 5. Because this is y equal to mx plus c. What? So this is C. C means y-intercept. Y-intercept. So y-intercept is negative 5. See? Before he start, actually I already find the coordinate B. However, this is not the one first. Okay, what they want over here is find the equations of the straight line which pass through the point A and is perpendicular, or this is short form of straight line, so which pass through the point A and is perpendicular to AC. Okay, first is he gives you very important information over here is, okay, he gives very important information which is this straight line will pass through point A. He will pass through point A and form a perpendicular to AC. So I draw a straight line using the dashed line who will pass through the straight line AC, will pass through coordinate A and form a perpendicular to AC. Perpendicular means 90 degree. Perpendicular means 90 degree, meaning I will form 90 degree over here. Now he asks you to find equation of this straight line. Now we want to find the equation of this straight line. Okay, means this straight line actually he will perpendicular to AC and then he will pass through A. A is negative 3, negative 7, because later we have to use this coordinate. Yeah. So first thing is when I see perpendicular, first formula come to my mind is m1 multiple m2 equals to negative 1, because this is the very important formula for perpendicular, or they will say form a 90 degree. Okay, it's same meaning, is a perpendicular. Sometimes they will say form a 90 degree. Okay, so it's the same meaning as long as you know this perpendicular means form a 90 degree. So m stands for gradient, so means actually this straight line, the gradient of this straight line multiple the gradient of this straight line will equals to negative 1. Now you know how good if I straight away change to y equal to mx plus c, because what is this? 2 over 3. 2 over 3 is the gradient m, y equal to mx plus c. So over here I know the gradient for this straight line, the gradient of this straight line is 2 over 3. Now we want to find gradient for this straight line. Okay, so I will write m1 multiple m2 equals to negative 1. I assume this is m1, so 2 over 3 multiple m2 equals to negative 1. So m2, so now this is m2, this is m1. You can put this is 1, this is 2, it doesn't matter. So m2 will equals to, I move this one, will become negative 3 over 2. Okay, you just shift this one, is negative 1 multiple 3 over 2, so you got negative 3 over 2. So this, okay, now I got the gradient for this straight line already, which is negative 3 over 2. See, this is negative 3 over 2 is the gradient for this straight line. However, we know if you want to find the equation, we need one coordinate to find c. So okay, you got two formula to do it. Okay, I teach the simple one first, which is y equals to mx plus c, because you learned this one in mathematics as well, right? Now I got m. I just put it back over here. So y equals to negative 3 over 2x plus c. He will pass through a. So at a coordinate, negative 3, negative 7. So I just substitute this one. This is x and this is y. Just substitute this one in to find c. So y is negative 7 equal to negative 3 over 2 multiple negative 3 plus c. So negative 7 equals to, this is 9 over 2 plus c. So c will equals to, this one move to the other side, negative 7 minus 9 over 2. Therefore will equals to, okay, this is negative 14. Negative 14 is negative 23 over 2 for c. After that, what he asked for? He asked for the equation, right? You must remember, substitute the c back to here. Substitute the c back to here. So therefore, what we will got over here, if we substitute this one back, we will got y equals to negative 3 over 2x minus 23 over 2. This is the equation of AC. See, is it very simple? As long as you know about y equal to mx plus c, right? You got the m, you put it back into the m. And then in order to get c, you need one coordinate. He said he passed through a. So I substitute a into y equal to mx plus c. Y put into y, x put into x. Solve this one, I will get c. So it equals to this one. So that I write therefore equation of AC is y equals to negative 3 over 2x minus 23 over 2. Okay, I say we have two methods. We can use another formula as well. Okay, that formula is something like, okay, y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. Okay, just now we got the coordinate a, right? A equals to negative 3, negative 7. And then we got m, right? M equals to negative 3 over 2. Just substitute everything in this into this equation. So, okay, y minus y1, I assume this is x1, this is y1. So y minus negative 7 equals to m is negative 3 over 2. X minus x1, negative 3. So y plus 7 equals to negative 3 over 2x plus 3. So y will equals to negative 3 over 2x Okay, y, okay, and then we move this one will become, okay, this one, sorry, this one you have to multiple in, so this one multiple x, you got -3 over 2x, this one multiple +3, you will got +9 over 2, okay, this one multiple this one, +3, you will got +9, you will got -9 over 2. Okay, and then this is -9 over 2 and then -7. So y will equals to -3 over 2x -9 over 2 -7, we will got -14 over 2 is -23 over 2. See, actually both also will give you the same equation of AC. Depend which formula you like to use. Of course, I will recommend you to use this one because y equals to mx plus c is for mathematics. However, that one you can get the same answer as well. I think you won't deduct much, but then actually this one, if you're familiar, it will be very simple. You just make the coordinate equal to y1 and then make this one equal to x1 and then just put it in. See, I put a -7 in, I put a -3 in, and I put the gradient in. After that, I just solve this one. Make sure this one multiple for both lah, because sometimes I forget also, so make sure you don't forget, and then you solve it, and then you write the equation of AC equals to y equal to -3 over 2x minus -23 over 2. Okay, now we done the part A. Okay, so we go to the part B. What he asked for the part B over here? Part B, he asked you to find the coordinates of B. Okay, very simple. This is I find just now because of this one. Okay, he asked for find the coordinate B, right? I got y equals to 2 over 3x minus 5, and then B is the C. C for it is a y-intercept for this straight line. So B, so over here is -5. So I just put the -5. So therefore, for the part B, I can easily get the answer. So B over here. Okay. From this equation, we got y equals to 2 over 3x minus 5. So the -5 is over here, means this one actually is -5. Okay, so therefore B, yeah, where's my marker pen? Okay, so B1, he asked for coordinate B. Coordinate B is 0, -5. Okay, I think this one only 1 mark. Okay, and then for part 2, what he asked for part 2, he said the coordinate of C given that AB ratio BC is 2:7. So over here, AB ratio BC is 2:7. Okay, it's 2:7. Okay, I just make you see better. Okay, now you got the ratio. So when you see ratio, you have to use the ratio formula. What is the ratio formula? Ratio formula is mx plus nx divided by m plus n, and then ny1 is 1 plus ny divided by m plus n bracket this is xy equals to the whole thing. Okay, this is the formula when you see ratio. I think this formula actually is given, so you don't need to worry so much, but then you need to know how to substitute. So in order to make this one look better, so I draw a diagram here for you. So A, we got A over here is -3, -7, this is A. And then we got B is 0, -5. And then we got C is x, y. And then the ratio is given, what is the ratio given over here? Is 2 and 7. Okay, see, if I assume this is m, so this is n. You can put this is m, this is n, it doesn't matter. Okay, but then you must very familiar with the formula. Okay, the formula is like this. Okay, I say m x plus n x1 divided by m plus n, comma. Okay, and then my plus ny1 divided by m plus n will equals to x and y. Okay, this xy is not for this xy. So, okay, see. I call this one m, call this one n. So, let's say I call this one, okay, you remember this ratio must multiply the further one. This ratio must multiply the further one. Mean m is multiple x, so this is x. And n is multiple x1, so I call this one is x1. Always multiply the further one. Okay, so if you understand about this one, you will make this one look very simple. M is 2, right? So 2 multiple x coordinate. This is 2 multiple further one. This is x, what? So I put x. Plus n. N is 7 multiple the further x coordinate. Because here is x, or everything for x. Here is everything for y. So 7 multiple x is -3. Divided by 2 plus 7, 9. You got the first one. Then you got the second one. This is comma, no plus or multiple on the middle. M is 2, multiple the further one is y. Plus n is 7, multiple the further one is -7. Divided by m plus n is 9, equals to the middle coordinate is the xy. This is the middle coordinate is 0, -5. Do you see the big picture? Ratio multiple the further x coordinate plus the ratio multiple the further x coordinate divided by the total ratio 9. Same thing. Ratio multiple the further y coordinate. This ratio multiple the further y coordinate divided by total ratio equals to the sum coordinate on the middle lah. But then this is not really the middle because the ratio is 2, 5. Is it 2, 2? Then this is midpoint. Okay, this is means the point on the middle, you write in the last one, xy. After that, if you got this one, you can solve this one easily because this is for x. Over here is for x, over here is for y. So you compare x with x, y with y. What is the meaning? So over here, I will have the whole thing equals to 0. This one, the whole thing will equal to -5. So 2x minus 21 divided by 9 equals to 0. So 2x minus 21 equals to 0. 2x equals to 21. X equals to 21 over 2. Okay, so now I got the x coordinate for this one, which is 21 over 2. And then I do the y. Y is 2y minus 49 divided by 9 equals to -5. So 2y minus 49 multiple 9 is -45. So 2y will equals to, move this one is positive 49, which is 4. Y will equals to 2. 2. Okay, got this one? Got the idea? This one, the middle is comma. Where some students write plus or multiple or anything. This is just a comma. Mean this one is for x coordinate. This one is for y coordinate. I think this formula is given, but then a lot of students will make the same mistake. Is he will use the 2 multiple -3 and use the 7 multiple x. Cannot always remember ratio must multiple the coordinate is further one. Means the distance is more far than the m. Okay, so 7 must multiple -3 and 2 must multiple y. Cannot multiple the coordinate just beside it. Choose the further one. So just remember, must choose the further one. It means something like cross over. M will cross this one and n will cross this one. Okay, remember must be further one. Then you can get the coordinate C. People ask for coordinate C. What? This is coordinate C, which is 21. Which is 21 over 2 and 2. This is the coordinate C because he asked for the coordinate C. So after that, you got C equals to 21 over 2 and 2. Okay, got it? Very good. Then we go to the part C. Yeah, I just trying to not make this video look very long. Okay, C. What he asked for C over here, he asked for distance BC. So whenever you want to find distance BC, you better write down 2 coordinates. Coordinate for B is 0, -5. And then coordinate for C, we just got it, is 21, 2, and 2. Okay, now we got 2 coordinates, and then he asked for distance BC. So formula for distance, just memorize it. It's very simple, which is you can put x first or you can put y first. It doesn't matter because the middle here is plus. You got 2 brackets, got square, square, and then this one. Okay, let's say let's say I put x first, make it simple. So it's x minus x1 and y minus y1. Because it's plus, you put this one in front, this one behind, it doesn't matter. A plus b and b plus a is the same thing. But then you must know, okay, so, okay, let's say x, okay, I put this one in x, okay, I put this one in x minus x1. So we will got x, this is x minus x1, so it's 21 over 2 minus 0 square plus. So when you start as this one is x, this one has to be y. This one cannot be y1, so have to use this one minus this one. Cannot use this one minus this one. Okay, so it's 2 minus negative 5 square. The whole thing. So if, okay, so I will got square root. This one, you press the calculator, then you will got 21 square is 441 divided by 2 plus this one you got 7 square you got 49. So yeah, so you just, okay, 49 multiple 2, so this one will be square root of okay, 441 over 2 plus 98. Mean I make this one have the same denominator, so plus 441. Okay, then we will got square root of 539 over 2, which is divided by 2, and the square root answer is 16.42 units square. Units square. Okay. Oh, this one actually from here you can straight away press calculator. No need to do another 2 more steps. Okay, because for distance you can use calculator to solve it. However, memorize this formula, how to use it. Okay, if you love to use 0 minus this one, can also. So you 0 minus this one square plus this one minus this one square. As long as you start from this one minus this one, you must start from this one minus this one. You cannot on the middle. If this one minus this one, suddenly you this one minus back this one is wrong. If A minus B, then make sure A minus B also. Okay, just memorize this one. Then finally we can go to the last part, which is to find the triangle for AOC. So in order to find the triangle for AOC, so you write down the coordinate accordingly, A, O, and C. Okay, what is the coordinate A over there? Let me check. Okay, A is -3, -7. What is O? O is always 0, 0. Okay, because, okay, let you see the diagram. Later you do not understand. Where's the graph? Okay, I'm lost a bit. Okay. Means he asks you to find this area, A, O, and C. He want to find this area. Okay, A, O, C. So O over here is 0, 0. Okay, and then C, what's its coordinate for C? We just got the C is 21, 2, and 2. Okay. Because I say, if he asks you to find the area AOC, you please write the coordinate A, O, and C. It will make things very simple. Okay, and then, okay, for the area AOC, the formula is simple. For geometric coordinate is half, and then put the bracket. Let's say this is x1, x2, x3. Make sure you repeat the first one, x1, and then bottom is y1, y2, y3. Make sure you repeat the first one, y1. Okay, you write like this. Okay, so I'm going to substitute everything in. Half. Okay, first x1, x2, x3. Repeat the first one. So -3, 0, 21 over 2. Repeat the first one, -3. And then y1, y2, y3, repeat the first one. -7, 0, 2, repeat the first one, -7. Okay, if you do until this one, then you can start to this one multiple this one plus this one multiple this one plus this one multiple this one. Got it? So I think it's not that hard for you, right? So I put this is modular symbol. Later I explain this one. So -3 multiple 0, we got 0. 0 multiple 2, we got 0. 21 over 2 multiple -7. Wow, this one we got -147 over 2. Okay, and then minus, I use other color, minus this one multiple this one plus this one multiple this one plus this one multiple this one. This one multiple this one plus this one multiple this one plus this one multiple this one. Okay, but then middle is minus. So -3 minus 2, we got -6. Okay, plus this one multiple this one 0, this one multiple this one 0. Okay, then this is very easy. -147/2 plus 6. Okay, you press the calculator, you will got, okay, let's see, -147/2 and plus 6. Yes, you will got -135/2. Okay, the modular symbol is just always want to make your area become positive, because this is area impossible to have -1. Therefore, the total area will be 135/4 unit square. Okay, this is the way to do this, to do area. Actually, this one just now I should write, this one multiple this one is 0 plus, this one multiple this one is 0. I should write 0 plus 0, then only plus this one. And then when you turn direction, you want to turn direction, middle, add a negative for it. And then after you add a negative for it, this one multiple this one plus, this one multiple this one plus, this one multiple this one. And then solve everything inside the modular symbol, and then plus and minus together, and then modulus it, and then multiple 1/2 into it, then you can got this one. And then I just find out, actually I will do a small mistake, which is this is one for distance, got no square over here, because this is distance, this is not area. Only area got unit square. Okay, I hope this video can give you basic understanding about how to use a lot of formula in a geometric coordinate. If you have more questions or you have more requests, just comment in my YouTube channel or my Facebook page. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching.